Okay, this is Quiz 2 Makeup, Jasmine Smith, and this is for Math 1000. So, the question is to find the derivative of y equals 2 minus 3 to the square root of x over 3x to the 7th minus 3 natural log of cosine inverse of x to the 3rd. So basically what I did here is I split it up into f of x and g of x, so it could make it easier and we could see the problem better. So first we're going to deal with f of x here. So f of x equals 2 minus 3 to the square root of x. So we're going to use chain rule here. So basically we got that u equals 3 to the v, and v equals x to the 1/2. Okay, so the derivative of both of those, du equals 3 to the v natural log of 3. And dv equals negative 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, or to the 1/2. I'm sorry. So basically, to find the derivative of f of x, you're gonna multiply the derivatives. So you're gonna multiply du and dv. So f prime of x equals negative 3 to the square root of x natural log of 3 over 2x to the 1/2. Okay. So g of x is next, and that is the denominator here. So this one's a little bit more because we have to take the chain rule of more things. There's more pieces. So y equals u to u cubed, which is the whole thing cubed. So dv is going to equal 3u to squared, because that's just a basic power rule. So u is going to equal this next inside part. So u equals 3x to the 7th minus 3 natural log of v. Okay, because again, you're just taking the inside you're taking the outside, working your way in with chain rule. So du is going to be 21x to the 6th minus 3 over v. And v equals cosine inverse of x. So that makes dv equal to negative 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So I'm going to put this together piece by piece. So du equals 21x to the 6th plus 3 over arc sine x times 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So that makes g prime equal to dy, which du is inside of dy, so that is 3 times 3x to the 7th minus 3 natural log of arc cosine x squared times du, which is 21x to the 6th plus 3 over arc cosine x times the square root of 1 minus x squared. So now you can finally do quotient rule since you have the f of x, g of x, and f prime of x and g prime of x. So I plugged everything in. So first you have f prime of x, which we found here, and you have g of x, which is what you are given in the original equation, minus f of x, which you're also given, which is the numerator of the problem, times g prime of x, which was found right here. And this is all over g of x squared, so that's the denominator squared. And I'm not going to simplify it all because that would be really hard. But that's all.